The Welsh Rugby Union says it's received strong early interest as it seeks to sell Cardiff Rugby, having acquired the club out of administration in April. More than 5 credible bidders, both UK-based and international, have come forward ahead of the deadline to submit expressions of interest. The WRU has also begun searching for an independent chair to lead the Arms Park-based club and has helped shape its future direction. The WRU acquired the club's assets in a pre-pack deal after its former owners Helford Capital failed to cover their shortfall. A due diligence assessment by Thorium costing around £50,000 concluded that Helford's directors had the necessary liquidity but ultimately did not honour their commitment to underwriting losses under the Professional Rugby Agreement of 2023. This created financial instability and forced the WRU to intervene. A structural review of the professional game is now underway, which could reduce the number of Welsh regions from 4 to 3 or even 2. Cardiff and Dragons signed the new 5-year PRA 2025 deal, while the Ospreys and Scarlets declined, citing concerns over Cardiff being turned into a super region. Legal action from the 2 dissenting clubs is now being considered, focused on claims of unfair treatment and a lack of consultation. The WRU insists that its ownership of Cardiff is temporary and that it will treat the club independently. However, any sale will likely require the buyer to offer £6 million to the WRU debt. A formal sale process will begin once the structural review concludes on July 9th for counterbills and expiries. Chairman Richard Collier-Keywood said, "We've had more than 5 credible expressions of interest and that's positive. But I wouldn't buy Cardiff unless I knew what the future structure of Welsh rugby looked like. Whether bidders will commit to a loss-making club remains uncertain, but the WRU is clear. Everything is on the table."